Just taking a quick look inside this RTS brand LCP-102 controller, I guess. I think this works with some other units to control levels and stuff for either communication or PA purposes. And I'm just going to pop the cover off here. Show what's inside. Oh, that's interesting. Huh. Not much to see. I got a big power supply in the middle there. And then we got what appears to be like the main controller board. I need more light so I can see the chips. There we go. It's a Philips brand chip, if I can get the right angle on it. TDA 9860. Oops. Got what appears to be a firmware chip down there. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe it's a processor. And these breakout boards all appear to be daisy chained with each other. It was not connected very good. There's nothing to really hold these in place so they can come loose. But this is like the main control panel right here for the menus and stuff. And then each one of these is an individual channel. This might be 7400 series logic chips. But yeah, all those boards are going to be replicated. And if I get close enough, there's the front. It seems like there's different revisions of firmware chips for the knobs and the front displays. Now these displays are really cool, like multi-segment. Matrix displays, I guess. So not like a 7-segment display, but they have actual pixels, so they can do more letters and details. And they are socketed, so if a person wanted those displays, and those displays are worth more than the actual unit, you could easily salvage them from there. You can kind of tell right there, you see how they're plugged into the sockets. I believe these are made by Texas Instruments. I have a few at my desk that I've saved for tinkering purposes. That'll probably never happen, but yeah, I don't know. Thought I'd show what's inside. I am selling this in theory, but otherwise hope that was interesting, and thanks for watching.